So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reset your Xero password. So firstly, go to the main Xero login page and click the Forgot Your Password link underneath the sign-in boxes. Type in the email address associated with your Xero account and click the Send Link button. Now open your email inbox. Find the automated message from Xero and click the password recovery link inside. Just note that you need to use the link within 48 hours before it expires and check your spam folder if it does not arrive promptly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.